What's going on, everybody? It's Twisted Mirrors here. There we go, that's a better light. I'm in the car today, and I'm starting a new project where I design and 3D print and fabricate blah 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 parts for my Subaru, my STI. So, just so everyone knows, I'm not really into the big audio systems anymore. It's more for CAD and 3D printing and doing things yourself instead of paying someone to do it, or instead of buying a pre-existing product, you go make your own product, or you modify something for yourself or for another person. And the first thing I've been working on, I started yesterday, are some canards for my STI, and I designed them in Fusion 360, and I'll put a video up later of how I designed them. It's not going to be a really how-to. It's going to be more of a sped-up version because it took like 3.5 hours just to get this one part, and then printing it took 4 hours. I don't have any video of the printing process, but when we get to making other parts, I will have video of 3D printing them or cutting them or doing whatever it is that's necessary to do to make these parts. But I'm trying to make an effort to make more videos, and I think instead of going out and buying parts and just sticking them on, that's fucking easy. Everybody can do that. So instead of that, I'm going to build my own parts and make my own parts and fabricate them. Like I want to do an exhaust for the car, but I don't have the proper tools to do it currently. And when I do get up to having those tools or building the tools that I need, then I'll show you how I built the tool and what I'm going to use that tool for to build the rest of the parts for the car. So when we get to the exhaust, which is probably going to be a couple months down the road, or maybe at the end of next year, or whenever it happens, because I need specific tools that I don't have, and currently I don't have the capability of getting them. So right now we're just working on the canards. I still need to figure out a way to attach them. This side goes to the car, so I need to figure out a way to attach them, and then either we'll print them and 3D print them with some high temp carbon fiber PLA or something like that, and we'll heat treat them, or we'll we'll vacuum resin these with probably fiberglass or something. But I've never done that, and that's something I've always wanted to try. So this is the first part of a very, very long series, I hope. Hopefully I just keep my motivation up. Maybe you guys can help me stay motivated, and we'll get to modifying the STI and making it look fucking sweet with parts I make, instead of just buying ones that already exist. So until the next time I update, stay fucking awesome and keep the mirror twisting.